Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Tap on the bell icon right next to the red subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video, and there are some great recipes coming up next. So stay tuned. Today's video is all about the sweet, sticky, spicy honey butter sauce drizzled over super crunchy hot fried chicken and served on a bed of waffles. Who doesn't love waffles and fried chicken, right? So let's dive into the video. For the chicken marination, firstly you have to make a buttermilk mixture. For that, in a bowl add 1.5 cups of milk. To that add in lemon juice. Half of a lemon, just squeeze it right into the milk. Wait for a few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you will see that the milk will start to curdle. That is when you know that your buttermilk is ready. Now to the buttermilk add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Next add in 1 tablespoon of amchur powder. You can skip this ingredient, it's optional. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sugar, and now add in the chicken pieces. Preferably use drumstick piece or thigh piece because they are more juicier, so they will remain soft and juicy. So make gashes through them and add it directly to the buttermilk. Now let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not add salt here, otherwise water will tend to ooze out from the chicken. The chicken will tend to lose its flavor and it will become tougher when deep fried. Under the sun. Next, cover it with a foil paper and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. While we'll do the spicy honey butter sauce, so for that I have taken here butter, about 1.5 tablespoon. To that I have added 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now add in half cup of coconut milk. If you want to know how to make coconut milk from scratch, I have a detailed video and I will link it in the I button above. Now mix it well and microwave it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a thick sauce-like consistency, as you can see in the video. Or you can do the same process in the pan as well. Now to make the rice sprinkle, in a bowl add in Gobindabhog rice or any short grain rice, and to this add sesame seeds, just about a teaspoon. Roast it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns toasty. Now grate in 1 lemon zest. Next add in half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of black salt or you can use normal salt, and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a quick mix and your rice sprinkle is ready. Now coming to the last part, that is the crumbing process. Always use right hand for wet ingredients and left hand for the dry ingredients. That is the thumb rule for crumbing. So take out the chicken from the buttermilk mixture and at this point add in salt and keep it aside for about 5 to 7 minutes so that the salt gets infused into the chicken. To coat the chicken, you will need maida or all-purpose flour, crushed up cornflakes and the buttermilk. Take out a chicken piece, then coat it very nicely with the maida or refined flour. Make sure the maida gets into the cracks and crevices, and that is what will give you that crunchy texture. Now take it out and into the buttermilk mixture, and now finally coat it with the crushed cornflakes. Now to the cornflakes you can add in oregano or you can add any seasonings that you like. I have used your thyme. Once you are done with the crumbing process, you can keep it onto a plate. Follow the same process for the other chicken pieces as well.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come.
Now that my chicken pieces are ready, you can at this point you can keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, or you can straight away fry them in oil. Once the oil is hot, drop in the chicken, cover and cook it alternatively on a high and low flame until it turns golden brown.
Be free, be away. Big breath that you can't fake. Once you've begun, press my face to the back.
After it gets golden brown, take it out onto a plate. Now that my fried chicken is ready, at this point I will sprinkle it with the rice sprinkler that I have made earlier, and you have to add this when the chicken is hot so that the sprinkle sticks to the surface. Now that everything is ready, you can serve the fried chicken as it is, or you can serve it with waffles as I have done. And now drizzle it with the honey butter sauce. Believe me, this sauce takes the whole recipe to a new level. You have to try this and let me know in all of my socials listed below. Anyways, the spicy honey butter fried chicken will look something like this. You can have this as a starter, and it tastes, oh my god, just amazing. Please do follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the description box down below. And if you have tried any of my recipes, then please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page given right here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.